So today we are unboxing Magic. Kind of. The watch is literally named the Magician, and it does have a trick or two up its sleeve. It is from the brand CIGA Design, and my only previous experience with the brand has been with their Blue Planet. This was actually the 2021 GPHG Challenge Watch prize winner. Has to be the most unique watch I've ever featured on the channel, although the new watch we're unboxing today might be a contender. I could see this being equally unique, if not more. No way to know, though, until we see it in the metal, so let's check it out. So before we get to the unboxing, just wanted to show you actually quickly what the Blue Planet looks like on wrist. I'll put a link to the video on this one in the description if you're interested. Pretty neat watch, made out of titanium. Not really an everyday wear or anything, but it's kind of cool. So one concern I have here with this is the box is feeling a little bit squishy. So I don't know if it's taken a bit of damage during transport to me, but let's take a look here. It is a little bit squishy. Yeah, hopefully everything is okay inside. Oh, it looks like the way they have these packaged, this is sort of packaged the same way as the Blue Planet was, and it looks like it should be safe and sound here. Ooh, Magician, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's get rid of the garbage here. All right. Cool. If you want to read that, you can pause here. I'll read that stuff afterwards. The magic on your wrist. Bit of a sneak peek. Warranty card. Some information on the company showing a bunch of design awards that they've won. Some instructions. And now we can see what the... Oh! It's coming apart on us here. What the magic is all about. So... This is a 3-in-1 watch. So three options. We have one sort of interior case with the movement. Get that out first. Get that plastic off if we can. Let's zoom in. It's actually working away there. Pretty cool. Push, so there's a button on either side, and that is, I'm assuming, to release the different cases. So we've got a square. We have got kind of a tonneau-shaped case. That's pretty funky looking. Then we've got the round. Bigger watch, if you're curious. I think these cases range from 46-ish to all the way up to 48 or 49. I'll do the measurements for the full video, which we'll be doing here in a couple of weeks. Oh, we're losing focus. There is the strap. Nice feeling. Rubber. Decent hardware. I'm just going to set the book aside here. And we'll try to put one of these on, see how it goes. I think it's just going to snap in place. Possibly not. Oh. Backwards. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so it just snaps in place. Probably not going to be the most legible watch in the world, but kind of neat to check out. Nice winding action. And give me 1 second. I'm going to throw the strap on it here. Okay, so we are all strapped up and ready to go. One thing I forgot to mention, and I meant to mention it earlier in the video, but this watch was gifted for free to the channel by CIGA Design. So big thanks to them for that. Now, this is not a watch I would particularly go for normally, but I will say watches like this, the more unique ones, are the ones that I tend to have the most fun making videos of, and I really enjoy kind of trying them out and wearing them too. So I'm looking forward to this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close out the video with just a quick wrist shot on all three of the cases. With all three of the cases, I'll go through how you swap the cases and kind of the whole process in the follow-up video here very soon. So keep an eye out for that. Also, the loom, I think, from the shots that I was seeing, looks pretty cool on this. So that's something we'll have in the that video as well. So really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. So today we are unboxing magic. Kind of. That wasn't a very good catch, was it?